Welcome to English with Sophia. Today's B1 English listening practice, a journey through cherished memories. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to share and reflect on some cherished memories. It's always a pleasure to reminisce about those special moments that have shaped us. So, let's dive into the stories from my past that have left a lasting impression. 6th grade camping adventure. Our first memory takes us back to a unique tradition from my school days in the U.S., the 6th grade camp. This wasn't your typical camping with tents. Instead, we stayed in cabins, each managed by a camp counselor. It was an incredible week filled with outdoor activities like hiking, archery, and rock climbing, which were perfect for someone as outdoorsy as me. We also had ample time to socialize, play, and bond with peers, making it a standout memory from my elementary school years. First independent trip to Hawaii. Next, let's talk about my trip to Hawaii when I was 13. It was one of the first times I traveled without my parents, which made it particularly memorable. We stayed in a lovely hotel across from Waikiki Beach in Honolulu. The freedom and beauty of Hawaii at that young age felt absolutely exhilarating, making it a trip to remember. The freedom of driving. Another significant memory was the first day I drove to school by myself. I had just turned 16 and received my driver's license. The freedom of driving my own car with a playlist I had carefully selected for the occasion made me feel on top of the world. It was a proud and liberating moment that marked a rite of passage for me as a young woman in America. High school graduation. Graduating from high school was another pivotal moment. The ceremony itself might not have been grand, but the relief and excitement for the future were immense. It marked the end of one chapter and the beginning of another, filled with dreams and expectations for what was to come. Language exchange program in Mexico. One of my most treasured memories is from 2013, when I participated in a language exchange program in Mexico. This was my first solo international experience, and nothing could have prepared me for the challenges and adventures that awaited. I struggled initially due to the language barrier, staying with a host couple who spoke no English. However, as I adapted, learned Spanish, and made friends, the experience enriched my life profoundly. I even met my future husband during this program, and we still cherish the places we visited together during that time. Reflections on the past. Reminiscing about these experiences not only brings joy but also teaches us valuable life lessons. Each memory holds a special place in my heart and has contributed to who I am today. Thank you for joining today's session. I hope you found these stories from my past as enriching as they were for me to share. Keep practicing your English and exploring the personal histories that shape us. Until next time, keep learning and stay inspired.